Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to share with you the top 5 digital business ideas to start in 2025. And the best part, you can get started with a zero budget. I will show you exactly how much money you need to start each business. I will show you real examples that I build and some unique tips to help you succeed. This video is all you need to start a successful online digital business in 2025. If you are ready, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. So let's start with number 1, building and selling APIs. So what is an API? It's simply like a piece of software or a tool that you sell to developers so they can use in their own applications. For example, let's say you want to build an email validation tool. You can do this from scratch or use an email validation API to build your project quickly. And what's really nice, you can use tools like Xano to build APIs without coding. These are no-code back-end builders, and you can get started totally for free. Without credit cards, you can build APIs, and I have a video here on my channel showing this step by step, how to build a real API with Xano. I will leave the link in the description below. So what's nice about this business, you can build the API for free, like with no-code builders, or you can develop this yourself. Then you need to host the API, which also you can get started for free with free hosting services or free trials. And 3, you need to publish your API and sell it on marketplaces. And we have something like Rapid API. And you can see here I'm selling my own APIs like this one here, the email validation API. So the first idea is building and selling APIs. If you want to learn more about this, I have also a full video here on my channel, the full blueprint to building and selling APIs, totally for free. I leave the link in the description below too. You can even sell APIs with WordPress. If you go here to my website, Promoter Kit, open any of these tools, you will see I am selling API access here for pro members. Let's now move on to idea number 2, micro SaaS business. Micro SaaS is all about solving a specific problem with small focused tools. For example, I developed this tool last week. It transforms YouTube videos into summaries and educational content and much more. Let me show you this. Let's get this video, link, paste it here. This tool is totally free and you can test it yourself. And I built this tool mainly for me, to help me save time watching long YouTube videos. I can digest them in a couple of seconds or minutes. It even generates quizzes based on YouTube videos, flashcards, study notes, terminologies, research gaps, research quality, everything based on a YouTube video. So this tool is a micro SaaS, it's a small tool that solves a specific problem. So as I mentioned, in my case, I developed this to solve my own problem. Then I thought, why I don't go publicly with a micro SaaS website? Now, how to build this? You can go with no-code tools like Data Button, which builds tools with AI. You can build also with the Create XYZ, and you can start totally for free. I'm not sponsoring or affiliate with any of these services. I'm sharing with you things I tested and I know it works. Or you can develop this yourself if you're a developer, or build it with WordPress as I do. So this website, youdigest.com, is a WordPress website. Let me show you this. WP admin, and you can see this WordPress. I will log in, and here is WordPress. You see, very simple. We don't have a lot of plugins, just few. And if you open the website here, it loads the main tool page. Also, you can check Promoter Kit, my other website. All these tools are built on top of WordPress. You can see this is a WordPress website here. If you learn the technique behind building tools on WordPress, you'll be able to build tools sometimes in a few minutes. I mean it. If you want to learn how, I have a full course on Skillshare showing you step by step from scratch with all the resources and files and scripts and everything you need to build a full functional tool, AI powered tool on WordPress, and how to monetize it with the credit system like this one here. We have tokens, so people can buy tokens in order to use your tools. I shared all this in the full course on Skillshare. Not only that, on Skillshare, you will find my other course on building AI agents from scratch. So maybe you can combine the power of AI agents with a micro SaaS business to build a powerful tool online. Skillshare is one of the largest online learning communities out there, with thousands of classes covering almost everything from design, illustration, to marketing, business, freelancing, and even programming and development. There's something for everyone. And what's really awesome, I've partnered with Skillshare. So the first 500 people to join Skillshare using my link in the description below will get free access for 1 month to access all classes on Skillshare. What you are waiting for? Go now, join, learn these new skills, and shape your future. Now going back to micro SaaS business, remember as a pro tip, you can combine idea number 1, which is APIs, with idea number 2 to build 2 income streams with these 2 ideas, as I did exactly in Promoter Kit. So here I have tools built on my WordPress website. People can use them on the website, or they can access through the API. You can also publish the same API on Rapid API to have multiple income streams from different sources. Let's now move on to idea number 3, selling education. All you need is a skill you have, a knowledge you have, and you can share this knowledge online and sell it. You can create courses with applications like Camtasia Studio, which I'm using right now to record this video. So you can record the screen and the camera and create your courses. And you can get started totally for free on websites like Udemy. You can see here I publish my courses, some of my courses on Udemy. And I have today more than 103,000 students. And you can see here my backend, my dashboard on Udemy. You can publish for free and sell for free. Also, you can use WordPress if you want. Like in my case, on my main website, livehasan.com, I sell courses on WordPress. You can use plugins like LearnDash, TutorLMS, LiftLMS, and other plugins to create and sell courses easily on WordPress. Now, in case you don't like going on camera or recording your voice, here is your alternative. You can create interactive courses. If you know Brilliant, this is a brilliant website, by the way, where you can learn by doing with exercises, with interactive exercises. If you combine what we talked about in idea 2, which is micro SaaS on WordPress, you can use the same strategy to build interactive lectures. What I'm doing right now is a test, a prototype on building a Python course without recording lectures. So I started with this simple variables lecture where people or students can interactively learn, like by dragging and dropping, and you can see here what's happening. So learning the data types and variables and so on. So you can use the same technique in building tools to build interactive courses. I don't think anyone has shared this before. This is why I tell you it's very important to learn these new skills. A lot of opportunities will open and a lot of ideas, business ideas, will be available to you. Let's now move on to idea number 4. Selling access to communities. You can create a community around a certain topic if you are expert in, or you can create a community around a topic you are learning or building or experiencing. So you can build a group of people to share knowledge about a certain topic or learn about a certain topic together. This community can be a Discord server like this one here, my Discord server, where I have multiple servers on different topics and ideas. Or you can build this on top of WordPress as I did. If you go to my community section, you will see I have the community with the forum section where people can engage, ask questions. And by the way, I have this public free forum where you can ask any question you want, of course about my videos, and I'll be there almost every day to help you, totally for free. And as a pro tip, I prefer and recommend to combine idea number 3 and 4 together, so you can build a community around your courses. So you can see here on my website I have a learning section and the community, so people can learn and engage in the community at the same time. I think this is the best formula to sell a community online, selling both educational content with the community. Now for the costs, all you need is a WordPress website, which costs around $2-3 a month. And if you open WordPress, let me show you this, and go here to plugins, add a new plugin, you will find free plugins to create a full forum for free. Just say here forum, and the 2 plugins I tested and I know it works perfectly are WP4 Forum, it's a perfect plugin, and of course BB Press one of the most popular plugins for building forums on WordPress. So you can use these free plugins to build a full forum inside your WordPress website. And for the theme, one of the best themes I discovered lately is a theme called Cadence. If you go to themes and search for Cadence, I think it's Cadence because we have this magic E. Grade 1 spelling. Anyway, so this Cadence, you can install it. It's a perfect theme and the forum will integrate perfectly inside it. Now, before we move on to idea number 5, our last idea, I want to share with you 3 important tips to succeed in any of these ideas. Tip number 1 is to take action. Go and get started. We are in 2025. With these ideas, there's a great opportunity for you to be successful this year. Remove all the barriers, forget about the perfectionist mindset, and go now and get started. As I mentioned, if you need help, you have questions, you need guidance, I'm here to help you. Join us on the free forum. I'll be there almost every day with other people to help you. Tip number 2 is to set up a marketing plan. Keep it simple. Just pick 2 platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter or Reddit or YouTube and start publishing content, valuable content related to your product or your business. And start engaging with people. This is the best way to build an audience, a target audience, a specific audience around your products and get your first clients without paying for ads or anything else. Just post content, valuable content, and today we have AI. Things has become a lot easier, so you have no excuse. And tip number 3 is learning. Dedicate every day at least 30 minutes to learn a new skill. We have today everything for free on YouTube. I gave you access to Skillshare for 30 days. Believe me, 1 hour a day for 30 days learning a new skill will change your life in 2025. Go try it and thank me later. Let's now move on to idea number 5. Idea number 5 is about building and selling AI automation systems. You can do this with both coding or no-code tools like Make, which you can build systems like this one here to automate any task for any specific scenario on this planet and then sell these systems. What you can do here is go to ChatGPT or any other language model and ask it to brainstorm ideas for specific people. For example, I want to build automation systems for YouTubers. Let's brainstorm unique automation system ideas. Let's see what we get. Automated video editing, automated content scheduling, automated social media promotion, fan and community interaction automation like automating comments and replies, revenue analytics. All these are ideas you can pick and brainstorm with AI and build automation systems based on and then sell to your target audience. In our case here in this example, YouTubers. So it's a freelancing with AI automation services. And by the way, I have a full video showing with you the full blueprint on starting this AI freelancing automation business. You can check the video here and get started. If you learned something new today, smash the like button and see you in the upcoming videos.